All right, so basically, we're at Lakes Park right now, and we're trolling people with the holy weapon, the air horn. Okay, so original idea right here. Totally did not steal this from anyone. We're gonna go up to people, or just like far away from people, and just air horn them. You know, give it a good little. All right, so we're just gonna be walking up to random people. So it kind of rained like a whole lot earlier, and there's like nobody here. So I don't know how we're gonna walk up to people and just honk my giant horn at them. Also, big shout out to my girlfriend. She's recording right now, and she had this amazing idea that we're gonna go try to go behind bushes and like hide in it. Hopefully, we don't get too wet, and just honk horn at people. Just people over there. Like, the whole time. What'd you say? This is where my ancestors were back in Germany. All right. What? Oh, fuck. Lock in, lock in. Where is it?
I don't know.
Oh, bloody. Oh, gotta give it a little shake. Okay. I gotta figure out something. Oh, here we go. Oh, my bad. That was crazy, bro. Was that one of you guys? Was that one of you guys? Yeah. There's not enough people here to like, for us like to hide somewhere and like somebody just to walk up, like walk near us constantly. Like this.
If we go to the back, do you know where those people ride those bushes? Or ride their bikes in the bushes in the back?
Yeah, but the thing is, I don't think there's gonna be enough people. I think the only people that are there are like.
I feel like there might be people walking the trail
though. Okay, I mean we can try.
We can just see. We have time.
Bro, I got like shit all over my legs. Bro. Like I was walking in that like dirt, like the field, and like it was just covered in water. Like I don't know how those people were even playing soccer. Like that shit was nasty. Just a granny bent over in front of my legs. But we're gonna try to go behind some bushes and scare some people.
I know you're thinking about it. Don't do it.
Oh, damn! People do not get scared these days. People do not get scared. People do not get scared. People do not get scared. Yeah, water droplets is in my head. This way? I thought you were talking about those bushes.
No, I'm talking about the bushes over here. People don't really go back there.
Well, that's what I was saying. Like nobody goes back there. I smell people.
Did you smell them?
Oh. Alright. I don't know if she's recording. This is like pure asshole shit right now. If I don't get some good views out of this, I'm gonna.
Downward facing dog. Crescent lunge, right foot forward. Center, twist to the right. your right toes up off the mat.
They're laughing. Oh, that guy was cool. What? Yo, that guy was cool. This is like catfishing right now. I'm using my girl like to get distract people and then boom, air horn. You guys catch anything? Dang.
There's a couple bass.
Dang, really?
From the air horn. I'm gonna be
Yo, that
honest.
air horn is scaring my girlfriend, then it's scaring anybody else. Oh, this poor couple. They don't know the wrath that I'm about to release on them. I didn't get time to drop my keys.
I'm a good cameraman. I'm like, Dad, I don't give that the same thing.
Yeah, she knows. She knows.
Yeah.
What? Is it like fishing season? What's up? What you fishing for? What you fishing for? And I heard like if you like going, hold on, I got something. Yeah, attract the fish over here. Hold on, I got it. Maybe if you like use this. Oh no, it didn't work. Have a good day. God bless. That was a chill dude. Hey.
I'm pretty sure you just scared all his fish away.
Yeah, I did. That was the point. that guy's not catching anything today. Nope. He got nada, and he ain't gonna get nada.
Wow.
Me for real.
Inspirational
What? Other than trolling people and getting horny,
What?
it's such a peaceful day at the park and such a nice day. Yo, there's so many people fishing. I just saw somebody throw a big net. What in the world? Yo, there ain't gonna be no fish after today. Are we starving? This ain't Africa. Like everybody that's like is fishing is like Hispanic
Yeah.
or Puerto Rican, and like they don't speak English. So I'm just like, yes.
Yes.
And they're like, ah. Or they're like, oi. So diverse today.
There are people.
What's up, guys? Tacos. I don't know if they heard that, but there was some moto grunting at me.
Imagine if there were hippos in Florida.
Bro, look at this, guys. Somebody is littering. As you guys know, littering is not good. It's pollution, and we do not take this lightly. Yo, is there anything left in here? Yo, I do not promote littering, guys, because it's not good. Look at this. Look at this wildlife. Look at that wildlife. Like, none of this would exist if people keep on littering. We came back here for no reason.
You always just sit here for a little bit and see if anything goes by.
Honestly, like, I'm gonna have to make a part 2. I'm gonna be so for real, because like, this is such like I planned for this to happen for a little bit, and like, damn, my train of thought don't work. Anyways, I was planning on like recording this Sunday for a little bit, and like, it just happened to rain all day. Welcome to Florida, I guess. Like, god dang. Like, what the freak, bro? Anyways, so it kind of ruined our moto. I guess that's why everybody's fishing. Is it like a thing? Like, if it rains, you fish?
Yeah. The rain attracts bugs and then the.
Oh, you nerd. What's up, fellas? Why don't everybody staring at me? It's not like I got an air horn or anything. Shit. This thing's freezing my finger. Honestly, I thought people were gonna be a lot more mean. I'm kind of glad not though, because like I'm not trying to start all that conflict. Like I know I'm kind of doing like a poopy thing, but like it's not like I'm like going in their ear like all the dang time. I wanna see. You like this? Gotta make sure they know. I'm gonna. He said, say something, amigo. My air horn spoke it all, bro. I'm getting bit by mosquitoes.
We're not even halfway around.
They won't tow your car.
They'll
Hopefully it
give
doesn't.
you a ticket.
Hopefully it doesn't say foreshadowing.
You're gonna pay for it.
Me? I don't got that money.
Well, neither does.
I don't got that YouTuber cash yet.
You better get it.
Yo,
right
guys,
now.
if the car gets towed, or if there's a ticket, you guys gotta like and subscribe so I can pay that off.
They better like and subscribe no matter what.
That too. You hear it from her, not me. I like how I said like I'm not antagonizing anybody, but like those people were actually like being rude for no reason. Like,
They were?
yes.
You were the one going up to them.
Oh no, I wasn't. Yo, man's in his prime time and he don't even know. Like, in the next couple of years, he's gonna be having to pay taxes. Like that sucks.
He looks like 6. I don't think he's gonna pay taxes anytime soon.
Nah, you just hating. Oh,
Not doing
L cameraman, L cameraman. I know you're not selling right now. I said I'm investing money on a person. Hit me in the comments down below. Who wants to be my cameraman? Southwest Florida.
I gave you the yoga people.
Yeah, I had to beg them. I cut it out. But like, you do not, guys. You guys do not know. I was begging her. I was on my knees.
Oh my god.
Like,
I wish
I had to
you
pull
were-
out her meat. What?
I'm suing you. I know your full name.
I sure hope
I'll
so.
sign you up to enlist.
All right, that's your problem.
I'll sign you up to be a Jehovah's Witness knocker.
I don't even know what that is. Forget, I live in a cave. Where all my Brothertons are. My butt might be too big for this. Oh my god. 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 I don't want to be like racist or anything, but like, is this park diverse? Because like, I'm telling you, half this side was just pure like, not white.
Latinos.
Yeah, that's the word. And then over here is just
I
straight
want to be
cracker
racist,
town.
not white.
Watch me like ride this croc. I used to ride these things for miles. This one? You think I can't jump over that? Do I look like I'm a basketball player? That's how you get famous first. You get canceled. I mean, look at PewDiePie.
PewDiePie was famous before he got canceled.
Yeah, and then he said the N-word.
Yeah, and then
That means I can say it too once I get famous.
no, that's not.
I'm like 0.1% black, so I'm allowed to say it.
What?
All right, I got
You rubbed elbows with a black person.
All right, so just in case like my theme died, this was gonna be part 2, but it's like not as loud.
It's still fun though. I feel
Yeah, I get to throw at that little kid.
and those don't hurt my ears.
But it hurts your feet. Oh! Oh no! Ah! So you kept it. You just lied to me. Yo, the only reason why my girlfriend's recording right now is because I promised her munchies. Or Menchie's, whatever that ice cream place is.
I said that to the camera.
You did?
I don't know if they heard it. But he promised me Menchie's after this.
Yeah, little does she know I'm not getting her, so.
Guys, look at the scenic video. Because I guess I'm not recording for my boyfriend anymore.
Oh, this is so nice. This is so nice. Oh, shit. Oh my god! 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 Oh my butt! Okay, that's enough, Alright, let me use the restroom real quick. Hello? What is in here? Oh my god! What is that? Oh! I just got touched by several dudes. Little metal thing over here, and like it has like 4 like entries or like exits, and like it's perfectly shaped as the World War II German flag. I mean, I'm German a little bit. That's my ancestry right there. I can't escape that. Doesn't mean I don't want to recreate it. There's no kids here. This is the most disappointing thing ever. Yo, if you ate shit right there, I'm not recreating a mannequin moment.
You're gonna lick my feet?
I didn't say you. Why you sound disappointed? So what you guys don't know is that they call me Tarzan. Basically, I'm the best climber known to man.
You wanna see me do it?
My favorite garden, the children's garden. So, yeah. Yo, my girlfriend makes me zesty, guys.
I didn't tell you to do that.
No, it was no. I cut it out, but she did tell me to do that.
No, I didn't.
She did. All right. The fuck? All right. So basically, that's it for this video, guys. I'm probably most definitely gonna do a part 2 to this because there's just not a lot of people, and I'm definitely still gonna post this. You know, as a star of YouTube. You know, please tell me in the comments what you guys really want me to do next. Like, I really do not care what it is, as long as it's like not me going to jail for 17 years. Then I really do not care. But well, tell me if you guys want me to do another air horn video. We out. All right, just as promised, got the Menchie's.
Menchie's.
I got vanilla and strawberry, and I got like these toppings with it. And my girlfriend got some, I don't know,
Pineapple and strawberry.
and gummies in it. I don't know who gets gummies with their thing.
No.
But I'm good. I'm good.
It's so good though.
All right.